Hello guys, good morning. Hope you are doing well. So this video is about the 3 months challenge that I took, that I have given myself for the weight loss transformation, for my body weight transformation. So today is the first day of week 4th, and I would like to share some good information today, that I will share my experience, how much I have lost today this week, and what is my current weight, and everything I will show you here. Just to let you know that this week we have a very good news, because I have lost really good amount of weight. That is 1.1 kg of weight I lost this week, and 1.1 kg per week is really a healthy weight loss. If you check any website, any books, any articles, if you read, so 1 kg a week is comes under a healthy weight loss lifestyle. So just go, I will just show you on the weighing scale, okay, my weight. So you have seen me on the weighing scale. So it is 69.2 kg currently. In my last week my weight was 70.3 kg, and this week when I check on the same time, at the same time, it is 69.2 kg. So you can clearly see there is a 1.1 kg of weight loss, and this comes under really a good weight loss practice every week. So now I want to share why I did not lose last week any weight, and in the first week how I lost 5 kg, in the next week why I didn't lose any, and why I am losing again. Because it is all about your habit, your diet, and your exercise. Okay, as I told you always, the habit, that when and what you eat, what you drink, and what time you sleep, and how much you sleep, these all are habits. Okay, the exercises like cardio and weight training and other exercises, and the diet is what plays important role in every weight loss journey. Diet is the main thing. As I always told you, that diet plays 90% of the role, and the other things are just 10%. So what I have done this week is I control on my habit. Okay, I was very closely looking all my habits of what time I should drink water, what time I should drink anything, and what time I should take snacks, and how much snacks I should take, and what kind of snacks I should take. I was controlling everything. I was monitoring everything what I put inside my mouth, because I have read one article. It was written, you become what you eat. So this is really this dialogue is very close to me. So I was monitoring everything what I was eating. So about snacks, and then I was taking green tea, black coffee, as I told you that it does not play so much role in weight loss, but yes, it increase the process. If you are doing proper diet, proper exercise, then the green tea and this coffee and all will just support you in the weight loss. Okay, this is not the only thing that will help you alone, but it will support you. So this week I was eating a healthy meal, of course, like lean meat, chicken and eggs, and also green vegetable I took a lot. And I think 1 or 2 days this week I took some rice as well in order to maintain my carb, and also I took some chapatis. Okay, and as you know, early morning I take a heavy breakfast, where I take oatmeals, milk, banana, eggs at a different period. So this good diet has helped me to get this 1 kg of loss of my weight loss this week. And I am sure that if you are consistent, if you are passionate about your weight loss, just keep on doing what you are doing. Okay, just stick to one plan. Just make any plan that you think better for you. Okay, and stick to that plan, because you don't have to get demotivated that okay, I did not lose any weight this week. No, you don't have to worry anything. Just keep on doing what you are doing. Just keep on doing, and one day you will get the result. This is what happened with me. Last week I did not lose any, but this week again I lost. 1 kg. So I was punctual. I was doing everything on time, and of course during the exercise I was taking a gap of 1 day. Also sometime I took a gap. I did not do any exercise, only just cardio like running and walking I did. So you have to be consistent and you have to be punctual on what you are doing. And after the good diet, the second best thing that plays a good role in your weight loss is your exercise, the kind of exercise you do. So this week I was running and walking of approx 6 kilometers every morning. Every day I was running 6 kilometers. So it was around 10 to 12,000 of steps every day I was taking early morning, and with empty stomach. So it is helping me to burn more of the calories. And you can also do the same thing. And the last thing I want to tell you, that as I told you in the last video as well, that I am doing intermittent fasting. That means what I am following in intermittent fasting is 16 hours of no eating period plus 8 hours of eating period. So I have divided my days 24 hours into two part, 8 plus 16. So 8 hours are the time, a regular interval of time where I eat whatever I want, but it should be good diet. It should be good food with proper amount of protein, carbs, fiber, and the minerals like vitamins and everything. Okay, intermittent fasting has a proven result, has given many proven result in the entire world, and many people are following intermittent fasting as their daily life, whether they want to do weight loss, whether they want to do just want to maintain their athlete body, whether they just want to maintain their body. Many people are doing around the world, and you can go on internet and check about intermittent fasting. There is a lot of good thing about this. And also in many religions, fasting is considered as good for health, because it kills a lot of things, in a lot of bad elements inside your stomach and body, and it heals a lot of disease. So I was following this intermittent fasting, good diet and exercises, and I got the result what I wanted every week. So let's see in the next week, because I have taken a 12 weeks of challenge and it is the first day of 4th week. So I have to go a long journey, and let's see how much I can. I will try my level best to achieve my target of 64 kg at the end of December 31st, 2020. Okay, so see you in the next video with some good result. Bye bye. Have a great day.